In this video, I will show you how to use YouTube Immersive View for Shorts. Use YouTube Immersive View, you will need a supported VR or XR headset that works with YouTube VR app. First, install YouTube VR app on your supported headset from App Store. Once it's installed, open it and sign in with your Google account. Next, browse to YouTube Shorts or immersive content you want to watch. If the video supports immersive or 360 viewing, you will see the option to watch it in immersive or 360 mode. Select that option and enter the immersive viewing experience. You can look around naturally using your headset to explore the video from different angles depending on your headset and the type of content. You may also be able to use the controllers or hand tracking to navigate the control playback. If you don't see the immersive viewing option, make sure that YouTube VR app is updated. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.